Let's take a look and see how you can make a backup of your website database. So you'd want to go under Advanced Features, go for Backup and Restore. Click on it, and you should see these options. You want to make sure the domain that you want is selected. Under Create Backup, you choose the options you want here. If you want let's see, website information. These are your website files. So you'd ensure that this part is checked. If there are any subdomains, then you'd want to check this as well. If there aren't any, you can just leave it as is or uncheck. Okay, so if you want the emails as well, then you'd want to check these options here. Any FTP accounts, very important. If your website uses a database, you want to make sure that the database is checked, or if there are any items in the trash that you need, then you would also check this. So then you would create backup, and then once the backup has been created, you will be told where the path is. You can just download it to your computer or download it somewhere else, and then to restore it, you just go on Restore Backup, and obviously there is no backup available because we didn't create it. But if you had created a backup, then you would be able to restore one. Okay, that is how you go about getting your website. Another option would be to go under File Manager. Okay, then you'd go into your public.html. You would check this box to select everything. You would uncheck if you have a folder that says .well known, then you'd uncheck that. You would uncheck this folder as well. Your main, if your website is a WordPress website, then you would essentially be backing up these three folders as well as the files that are listed here. So your WP admin, WP content, WP includes, as well as all these other files here. And then you would, once you have them checked, you click on Archive, and then you type the name of the archive, whatever backup you want to call it. Zip is the archive type, and then it's going to save it in your public_HTML folder. And then you click on Archive, and then it would put a zip file in this folder, in the public HTML folder. Then you just download that particular zip file. Okay, so just like, let's say this was the file, you put a check on the box that's to the left, and then you click on download. Then you download it to whatever device you want. And that's for the files. As for the database, you'd want to go to PHP MyAdmin, and then you would select the database from there, and then just do a backup as well. Unfortunately, right now we're just having a bit of some issues with the network, so let's see if I'm able to access PHP MyAdmin. Okay, so just at the moment I'm unable to access PHP MyAdmin. So for now, just note that the steps are that you open phpMyAdmin, you select the database that you want to download, that you want to backup, you make a backup, and then, you know, you have a copy of your database as well. So those are two options to making a backup of your website. You can also request that we make the backup for you if it's a bit too technical. Um, Simply by giving us a call or getting in touch with us through WhatsApp or any other official channel. Thank you for watching.